Diwali is round the corner and we need some decoration ideas. So today we are going to make candle holders. Watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and comments below and do subscribe me at Ashmin DIY. If you're new here, I'm Ashmin and welcome to my channel Ashmin DIY. Now let's get started. The first one is the red and cream flower bunch. The rest of the material is given in the description box. I upload one video every Friday at 5 PM. Don't miss that. If you like this candle holder, then do hit the like button and comments below hashtag number 1. The second one is the blue and pink flower idea. Then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 2. The third one is the cute and adorable small flower idea. the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 3. Do subscribe me at Ashmin DIY, my channel, and hit the bell button. Don't forget to comments below if you like this video or not. The question of the day is, which idea you like the most? Do comments. Keep watching, keep sharing. Bye bye, take care of your dreams.